for a bag that costs $325, I'm not impressed. Hey everybody, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and I am here today with another luggage video for you. As you guys know, our motto on our channel is to travel often and pack well. We are here to help. And packing well starts with the luggage that you bring. So if you are a fan of rolling carry-ons as much as I am, you guys know that I have reviewed 2 different bags, actually 3 different bags on this channel. One I did return that I didn't like, so we're not going to talk about that one really, but I have liked 2 of them and have kept and used 2 of them, and today is going to be an update video on how those 2 pieces of luggage have held up over many trips and many months, and which one I really prefer when you put them up against each other. If you have not seen the reviews that I did on these previously, I will link them down in the description box below, and you can check out those reviews for yourself, as well as watching this video to make a decision. If you are here to make a decision to purchase a bag, please go ahead and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Let me know which bag you end up getting. Anything like that. I absolutely love to hear from you guys. You guys are the whole reason that I'm even making this video, because I've gotten so many comments and questions and concerns about each of these bags and how they have held up and how I feel about them after however many months and how they compare to each other. So decided to make this video today for you guys. After so many amazing comments, let's get started. Okay, so let's start with the Away carry-on flex luggage. Now, as soon as Away alerted me that this bag came out, I was thrilled, because before this bag, there really wasn't a bag that expanded on Away's website, and I was totally flabbergasted by it. I'm like, why don't you have bags that expand? Then a bag came out that did expand, that was more soft, that I didn't like. That review will also be down in the description. You guys will see why I didn't like that. That one's going away anyway, so I don't even really need to talk about it. But then this bag finally came out that expanded. So anyway, I immediately bought it within 24 hours of this bag being released. Purchased it, loved it, wrote a review, and then they took it off the website. And everyone is commenting on this review like, well, where did the luggage go? I'm like, I'm sorry, you guys, I guess they got rid of it. I'm not really sure. And then the other day I went back on the website and it was back again, but it was a lot more money. This bag retails for $325, and it didn't retail for that when I purchased it. And the original Away bags without the expansion retail for $295. So this bag is actually $30 more just to pay for the expansion. Again, when it was originally released, it was not this expensive, so I find that kind of interesting. So anyway, this is the color Coast. It's a beautiful light blue color. The bag is just under 22 inches tall, just under 14 inches wide, and just under 9 inches thick. It is absolutely perfect for a domestic size carry-on. When it comes to international carry-on or carry-on within different continents, it is considered a little bit on the large side, but that really goes for any American carry-on that there really is. European luggage likes to be under 20 inches, and it's very hard to find here in the US. I'm actually in the market for a hard-shelled bag that is 20 inches, that has all the specifications that I like on the inside, and I'm finding it near impossible. But anyway, we'll talk about that at another time. Some of you guys called me an Away hater, which I find kind of funny. I am not an Away hater at all. In fact, I wish I could be in the Away Cool Club. I guess I am, because I own this bad boy right here. I see people with Away bags all the time in the airport, and you can totally spot when somebody has an Away bag. And I'm like, nice Away bag, man. It's cool. But I'm not completely in love with them, to be honest. When I compare this one to the base bag in just a few minutes, you guys are really going to see. And the number one reason that I don't like it is how scratched up this bag has gotten after only a few trips. I'm going to cut in some close-ups that I'm going to take of how scratched this is so you guys can really see the lighting right here. It's kind of hard to see, but this entire side is super scratched and it will not buff off with a magic eraser or anything else. There's even this little spot here on this side, and when I try to get it off, I scratch it with my fingernail and then it just becomes more scratched. So I don't know if it's the color. This is kind of rough on the outside, but it is very scratched and the scratches are white. And that right there for a bag that costs $325, I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed at all. To me, if luggage costs $325 when you can go buy a cheaper thing over at TJ Maxx or something like that, then it should be phenomenal. And I've had several other hard shell pieces of luggage that have not scratched this much on the outside that have been a heck of a lot cheaper. So that is the number one thing that I am not impressed with. This bag has been checked, complimentary checked. I didn't check it on purpose twice. Both of those times it came back scratched. I can't even imagine if you were to actually check this over and over and over and over and over again, how scratched it would get. But the story of how this originally got scratched is interesting. It was actually its inaugural trip. We were going to Santa Barbara and I was so excited to use this bag because it was completely brand new. It was only maybe a week after the review that I did. I hadn't had my base bag yet. I'm like, yes, let's take it to Santa Barbara. So I was putting it into one of those kind of cages that are next to your boarding gate where it says your luggage must fit into here. For this packing channel, really wanted to get some B-roll footage of me putting this brand new beautiful Away suitcase that I love so much into that luggage cage to show you how it would fit. It didn't fit and it got stuck in the cage and it scratched the heck out of the bag. And then I figured maybe it would buff out, but it didn't buff out. So this bag scratches very easily. And to be honest, that should really be a deciding factor in purchasing a $325 bag if that is important to you. All right, so moving on, let's open it up. As for the inside, there is absolutely nothing wrong with it. I think the bag is just fine. You can see that there is the compression on this side that is mesh, and it has a little zipper right here to put stuff in if you so choose. And then it has the straps to compress things down on that side, and that is great. It also has this little pouch right here that comes with a laundry bag, just one laundry bag. The base one comes with two. And then I do love when there is an actual zipped compartment on this side. It is mesh, so it is breathable. It opens up, fits everything here. The depth is just fine. Zips back up, it's cool. Again, nothing wrong with it, but when I compare it to the base, you guys will see why I like the base bag better. So again, that is the Away carry-on flex luggage for $325. Now, let's move on to the base luggage. Come here, my pretty. This is the beige color. Now, in my original review, you guys will see that I am reviewing the gray color. Either the beige wasn't available or the beige wasn't out yet. I don't really remember, but either way, I had gotten the gray and it was perfectly fine. I liked it a lot. And then the beige became available and my friend really wanted the gray, I really wanted the beige. So she ordered the beige, I already had the gray, and we switched. There is a video about that too, in case you are interested. I will link that below as well, so you guys can see both. Now, this bag is the exact same size as the Away. 22 by 14 by 9. However, it is cheaper. This bag retails for $198 as compared to the Away bag for $325. So that is a huge savings for bags that are extremely comparable. However, when the cheaper bag has a lot better features and has held up a lot better, I think that's a little bit of a no-brainer unless you really want to be in that Away Cool Kids club. A lot of people have expressed concern with this light beige color and how it has held up, or how scratched up it has gotten, or how dirty it has gotten. And again, I'm going to put the exact same footage with the exact same lighting, put it in right here, and you guys can see that there's minor little scuff marks, but nothing compared to how scratched the Away bag was. This might have some little things here and there that are maybe a little bit darker in color that can probably be buffed out, but the Away bag has actual scratches on it, which to me is not a good thing. Now, as for the features of this bag, it does have this little handle here where you can attach another bag to it up to 15 pounds. And one of the cool things about this bag is that it does have this weight indicator light right here on the handle, so that if you are over 50 pounds, it will light up and tell you. But it's not very often that you have to weigh a carry-on unless maybe you are flying a European airline or something like that. My ultimate favorite thing about this bag is indeed the padded handle. It is so nice, if you guys kind of see that padding right there. So when you are going through an airport, it's just luxurious. Your hand is comfortable. A lot of you have expressed concerns as to how well the bag rolls. The bag rolls perfectly fine. I have absolutely zero complaints about this bag whatsoever. Let's open it up. It does expand a couple of inches, just like the Away one does. This is what it's like on the inside. So you have a very similar side here. You have this compression sleeve. Let's take it out so you can see it. It does zip all the way around. It's very, very thin, so I don't know what you would put in it. I have put folders of things previously that I have needed to keep flat, and there is a mesh one on the other side as well. And you can open it up and it has the same compression straps. And then on this side, like I said, it does have a zipper where you can put additional things in there, still nice and deep. But on this zippered side are 2 pouches for additional organization, one of them being waterproof. So maybe if you're coming back from a beach vacation and you still have a damp bathing suit, you can put this in there and it won't really damage anything at all. It also comes with 2 laundry bags as opposed to 1 laundry bag with the Away. You don't necessarily need 2 laundry bags, but it certainly come in handy, so I'm not going to complain about it. I think it's a perk. All right, so that is really it for this video. I hope if you guys came here to make a decision between the two, that this review and update and comparison video helped you decide. I'm not here to really tell you which one to do. If you want to pay $325 for the Away bag and end up getting it really, really scratched up, that's totally fine. Maybe there's a color that scratches less. Maybe the one that isn't expandable scratches less. I'm not really sure. Maybe if they came out with a new scratch resistant outer shell, I would consider trying it. I am 100% in love with my base luggage. I love it so much. I hope you guys try it out. I think the price point is right. It is certainly considered expensive when you compare it to luggage that you could maybe get on Amazon or Target. But when I originally was shopping for this bag, I told you guys I wanted something that was going to last a long time, that had some sort of lifetime warranty on it, so that if anything happened, like cracking the outer shell or a wheel, getting messed up that I could return it and get it fixed and or get a new bag. That is why I chose the Base and the Away, both for the warranty. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. I hope this helped you make your decision. If you have any more questions about either bag, please let me know. I am happy to answer them. And you know what? I think Brian said it best when we were discussing the pros and cons of these bags the other day. He said, if somebody gave us an Away bag, like, I wouldn't be mad about it. I just wish it would have been a Base bag instead. And I think that that's just the best thing. Away is perfectly fine, but Base is better. Now, of course, these are comparing my two favorite roller bags when it comes to carry-ons. We are a carry-on only channel here. We do not love checked bags. That is an explanation for another video. But we do love backpacks also, and that is also an explanation for another video coming soon, so look out for that. With that being said, I hope you are subscribed to this channel. We travel often and we pack well, and we're here to help you do the same. All right, we will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.